Today I am reviewing the Pocket Radar Smart Coach Speed Gun. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the absolute most important factor when choosing a radar gun, which is accuracy. If a speed gun gives you inconsistent numbers, it is completely useless for true player development. The Pocket Radar Smart Coach is trusted and used by every single Major League Baseball team, which immediately tells you everything you need to know about its engineering. It delivers a phenomenal accuracy of plus or minus 1 mile per hour. During my testing on the field, it consistently picked up pitches thrown from a full 120 feet away for a baseball and up to 150 feet away for a softball. Unlike cheaper, lower-end consumer radars that give erratic readings based on your angling or distance, this device uses advanced professional technology to ensure you get completely reliable, repeatable data tracking over time. But what truly separates the Smart Coach model from traditional standalone radar guns is its brilliant Bluetooth connectivity and smart application integration. It pairs effortlessly with the free Pocket Radar Companion app on both iOS and Android devices. This completely transforms how you run a practice session. Instead of just staring at a small screen on the back of a device, the app allows you to overlay the exact velocity reading directly onto a live video recording of your player in real time. This means you can capture a pitcher's full throwing mechanics or a batter's hitting exit velocity, and the exact speed is permanently embedded right into the video clip. Having this visual and data-driven combination is an absolute game changer. It allows players to visually connect their mechanical changes like arm slots or hip rotation directly to an instant jump in velocity. The app can even announce the speeds out loud via a connected Bluetooth speaker or headphones, allowing athletes to get instant, hands-free feedback while throwing into a net alone. The history section in the app automatically logs every single shot, pitch, or hit, giving you a detailed breakdown of your maximum speeds, average speeds, and overall progress across multiple training sessions. If you're a coach managing an entire travel team, you can easily create individual player profiles within the app to keep everyone's data perfectly organized. If you want to dive even deeper, you can upgrade to the optional Pocket Radar Plus subscription. This unlocks highly advanced features like pitch charting, pitch type tagging, slow-motion video playback, and direct software integration with premier streaming and scoring platforms like GameChanger, SidelineHD, and the Mustard app. It makes the device an indispensable tool for remote coaching and recruitment, allowing you to instantly share verified video clips with embedded speeds directly to college scouts and recruiters. One practical tip to keep in mind is that running the radar in continuous mode can drain the two AAA batteries relatively quickly. However, the Smart Coach features a built-in USB port, meaning you can easily plug it into a portable external power bank to get a whopping 6 to 48 hours of continuous battery life on the field. It is incredibly lightweight, durable, and comes with a soft-shell case and a 2-year manufacturer warranty. If you want to stop guessing and start using the exact same data-driven training technology as the pros, this Prime Day is the absolute best time to grab the Pocket Radar Smart Coach and completely transform your player development.